What is a cash reserve, and can nonprofits even save money? Let's talk about cash reserves, also known as an operating reserve. But let's be real, it's your emergency wig glue. This is the money you set aside for when things go sideways. A funder disappears, or a venue floods. An artist you hired gets sick but still needs to be paid. That's what a cash reserve is for. It's the difference between panic and pivot. So how much do you need? Most organizations aim for a few months' worth of expenses, but don't get stuck on the number. Even saving a little bit from each grant or gig slowly builds up a cushion over time. And here's what we need to say louder: nonprofits can have savings. Net zero budgeting doesn't mean spending every last dollar. Having a reserve isn't bad planning, it's smart planning. A reserve is separate from your checking account and your gig's budget. It's your break glass in case of emergency fund. So yes, save that money. It doesn't have to be a huge matter, and your future self will thank you.